Deep in the heart of a green, glittering jungle, there lived a boy named Ravi. Ravi was known in his village for one thing: his laziness. He loved to sleep under the mango tree, dream big dreams, and say, "One day I'll be rich," without lifting a finger. His mother sighed every morning, "Ravi, go help your father on the farm." "Later, Ma," Ravi would mumble, rolling over. "I'm saving energy for something bigger." One afternoon, when the sun was warm and golden, Ravi wandered into the jungle looking for shade and maybe some wild fruit. But instead he found something extraordinary. Under a huge banyan tree, something sparkled like a tiny star. Ravi rubbed his eyes. It was a big diamond, shining, glowing, almost breathing. He picked it up carefully. Suddenly, "Ouch! Be gentle," said a voice. Ravi screamed and dropped it. Who said that?" "Me, down here," said the diamond. "You have strong hands, but a weak work ethic." Ravi blinked. "Wait, you can talk?" "Of course, I'm Dazzle, the diamond of determination." "That's weird," Ravi muttered. "Anyway, lucky me, I found you. Now I'll be rich." The diamond chuckled softly and said, "Not so fast, lazy boy. I don't belong to just anyone. Only those who earn my glow can keep me." Ravi frowned. "Earn it? How?" Diamond said. "Simple. Do some work, 3 small tasks in the jungle. Show me you're not afraid of effort, and I'll make your dreams come true." Ravi groaned. "Work? Ugh! Can't I just skip that part?" "You can, but then I'll turn into dust," said the diamond. Ravi gasped. Fine, I'll do it. What's the first task?" "Help that baby bird," said Dazzle, pointing with a flash of light. A tiny bird had fallen from its nest. Ravi sighed, picked it up, climbed the tree carefully, and placed it back. Sweat covered his forehead. "Good," said the diamond. "You didn't give up." Yeah, Ravi muttered. "What's next?" "Fill that broken pot with water from the river and bring it to the old tree roots. They're thirsty," said the Dazzle. Ravi dragged himself to the river. The pot leaked. Water spilled every few steps. He went back and forth, over and over, until finally the roots were wet again. "Excellent. 2 down," said Dazzle. "Now, for the last task. Clear the path leading to the village. The vines block travelers." Ravi groaned again. His arms ached. His back hurt. But something strange was happening. He felt good. He cut vines, moved stones, and by sunset, the jungle path looked clean and bright. "Well done, Ravi," said the diamond softly. "Now look at your hands." Ravi looked. They were dirty, scratched, but strong. "These are hands that worked," said Dazzle. "You've earned me." The diamond glowed brighter and brighter until it floated into Ravi's palm, warm and shining. "From today, I'll bring light to your life, not by magic, but by reminding you of this. Real diamonds come from pressure. Real success comes from effort." Ravi smiled for the first time in a long while. He walked back to his village, tired but proud. His mother was shocked. "You're covered in dirt," she said. "I know," Ravi grinned. "It's the color of hard work." From that day on, Ravi wasn't the lazy boy anymore. He helped others, worked hard, and sometimes, when he looked into the diamond's sparkle, he heard it whisper, "Well done, my friend. Well done." And in the jungle, under that same banyan tree, the wind carried a soft voice, saying, "Well done, my friend. Well done." Let's learn new words' meanings. Extraordinary, very unusual, special, or surprising. Wander, to walk or move around without a clear purpose or direction. Mutter, to speak in a low voice that is hard to hear, often because you're annoyed or talking to yourself. Frown, to bring your eyebrows together to show that you are worried, angry, or thinking. Determination, the will to keep trying until you succeed. Groan, to make a sound showing you don't want to do something. Idiom, lift a finger, to make any effort. Moral of the story: true success doesn't come from luck. It comes from effort and determination. Subscribe for more nice stories.